Are you looking for a free alternative to Adobe apps? Well, you're in luck. There are some amazing free alternatives that offer the same features as the Adobe apps. So in this video, I'm going to reveal the best free alternatives to Adobe apps that you must try. These tools are packed with the same features without the subscription fees. I'm Brian for Website Learners, and let's get started. The first app we have on our list is Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is one of the most well-known tools for photo editing, creating digital art, designing thumbnails, and graphic design. And the best alternative that I have found is Photopea. This looks and works just like Photoshop. And guess what? It's completely free. No downloads and no subscriptions. You just need to open your browser and start editing. Now, what can you do with it? Pretty much everything Photoshop does. You can work with layers, apply masks, blend images, and even retouch photos. It also supports multiple file formats, including PSDs, so you can open and edit your Photoshop projects without needing the actual software. Then it does have some AI tools, but they are pretty basic compared to Photoshop's powerful AI-powered features. And if you're working with really large files, Photopea can be a bit slow because it runs on your browser. Well, Photoshop has its drawbacks too. First of all, it's expensive. It costs $23 per month, which might not seem like a lot at first, but over time, it really adds up, especially if you're just getting started. But if you want a free accessible alternative for Photoshop, Photopea is a solid choice. If you want to use advanced generative AI features that Adobe provides, then you can go with Photoshop. Alright, the next tool on our list is Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator is packed with powerful tools for precise drawing, custom shapes, and stunning typography. The subscription again costs $23 every month. So if you're looking for a free alternative for Illustrator, we have Inkscape. It's perfect for beginners and professionals who don't need all the extra features that Adobe offers. And just like Illustrator, Inkscape allows you to create logos, vector illustrations, icons, and web graphics while keeping the designs sharp at any size. It also has almost the same interface as Illustrator. However, it does have some limitations. Inkscape can struggle with large files, so complex designs might slow it down. And if you need to work on print designs, it doesn't support CMYK or Pantone colors, which can be a major drawback. Inkscape doesn't have AI-powered tools that Illustrator has, like auto tracing or smart recoloring. So if you want to print your designs in CMYK or Pantone colors, or if you want to use advanced AI features, you'll need to use Illustrator. But if you need a solid vector graphics software, Inkscape is a great free alternative. Okay, the next Adobe app we have is Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is one of the most popular video editing software used by filmmakers, YouTubers, and professionals for creating high-quality videos. But it's very expensive, again costing $23 per month. Premiere Pro is also known to experience crashes and project corruption, which can be extremely frustrating. So there's a better alternative? Absolutely. DaVinci Resolve. Honestly, after switching to DaVinci Resolve, I've stopped using Premiere Pro, as it is much better than Premiere Pro in so many ways. Its biggest strength is color grading. Resolve provides industry-leading tools and AI-assisted enhancements, making it the best choice for filmmakers who want a cinematic look. It also includes motion tracking, keyframing, and built-in VFX compositing, eliminating the need for additional softwares like After Effects. On the audio side, the Fairlight audio editing tools offer professional sound mixing, noise reduction, and voice isolation, making them perfect for high-quality sound design. And when it comes to performance, it is very stable and runs much smoother than Premiere Pro. Also, it's completely free with powerful tools, making it accessible for everyone. But if you're a professional looking for more advanced features, then DaVinci Resolve offers a studio version for a one-time fee. Alright, the next tool on our list is Adobe Lightroom. And it's a favorite tool among photographers and content creators because it makes enhancing images, batch editing, and organizing large photo libraries super easy. Plus, it's an AI-powered tool which lets you improve images in just one click. But like all the other Adobe apps, it comes with a monthly subscription. Meet Lightroom's alternative, Darktable. Darktable is a free open-source photo editing software which has almost all the features that Lightroom has, like professional-grade color correction, image enhancements, and batch editing, completely for free. And just like Lightroom, Darktable lets you adjust brightness, contrast, and color balance. Also, it includes advanced tools like histograms and waveforms. It also has tethered shooting support, which lets you connect your camera directly and edit photos in real time as you shoot. When you compare Adobe Lightroom to Darktable, it offers different advantages. Lightroom requires a paid subscription, but in return, you get an easy-to-use interface with AI-powered automation. Darktable is completely free. However, its interface is not as user-friendly as Lightroom. Lightroom excels in advanced masking and blending, allowing for precise edits with AI-assisted tools. Darktable only offers basic masking features, which might require more manual adjustments. Honestly, I feel Lightroom is worth it for the incredibly easy-to-use interface and cloud features. But if you really want a free open-source editor that can work just as well as Lightroom, Darktable is a great option. Alright, the next Adobe app we have on our list is Audition. Adobe Audition is a powerful audio editing software used in film and TV post-production, podcasting, and radio broadcasting. And what makes it stand out is its advanced noise reduction, audio effects, multi-track editing, high-quality audio restoration, and AI tools like Auto Remix, which adjusts the music length automatically. Plus, it works seamlessly with Premiere Pro, making it a go-to tool for video editors. But if you're looking for a free and a feature-packed audio editing software, Audacity is the best alternative to Audition. Audacity is a completely free open-source audio editor that works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It might not have the AI tools like Audition, but it still lets you edit and mix multiple tracks, remove background noise, and apply effects with ease. You can also do batch processing, like applying the same effects on multiple files at once. The best part, it's simple to use, making it a great option for beginners. So if you're looking for a free, reliable, and easy-to-use editor, Audacity is a fantastic choice. Okay, the last Adobe app that we have on our list is Acrobat Reader. It's a great PDF reader that has been around forever and works well on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. It lets you view PDFs, highlight text, add comments, and fill out forms with ease. There's even a read aloud feature which can be pretty useful. But if you need to edit text, add images, or convert files, you'll need the Acrobat Pro version, which costs around $20 a month. But there's an even better tool that's free, lightweight, and super fast, having all the features that Adobe Acrobat offers. And that is called Foxit Reader. Foxit Reader is a great alternative to Adobe Acrobat Reader. One thing that makes it stand out is that you can open multiple PDFs in the same window. It also has powerful annotation tools, letting you highlight, add notes, and even insert text boxes. Also, Foxit provides basic security features like password protection and encryption for free. However, advanced security options like digital signatures and certificate encryption are available only in the paid version. So, if you're looking for a fast and lightweight PDF editing tool, then Foxit Reader is a great choice. Okay, so that's it guys. These are the awesome free alternatives to Adobe apps. So which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for the best AI tools to generate videos, then you can check out this video right here. If you guys like this video, do give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.